just saw how a few simple tweaks transformed this tomato soup into something extraordinary, rich, satisfying, and bursting with flavor. Okay, now let's take it up another notch with the ultimate avocado grilled cheese sandwich to pair perfectly with our soup. Let's make it happen. This delicious combo is the perfect balance of flavor, satisfaction, and budget friendliness, and it's incredibly versatile. Whether it's lunch or dinner, fall or winter, or any season, really, this meal is sure to hit the spot every time. Now that you have seen this, it's time to treat yourself to this creative combo. Prefer to enjoy them separately with some modifications? No problem. For the soup, you can swap in real cream or coconut milk for a richer flavor instead of yogurt. For the sandwich, try it with different types of breads and cheeses, and be sure to add sliced tomatoes or roasted red peppers for an extra twist. I personally prefer the soup with a bit of texture, as you saw, but if you like it smooth, simply blend it fully for a silky version. Make it your own and enjoy. You'll find the full recipe, ingredients, and a list of my favorite go-to food products linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And don't forget to explore my other videos for more delicious and healthy and easy recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Until then, stay healthy and take care.
Thank you.